Hi! Today I learn you how to min-max your build. Okay, let's start. First, what we need is get 3 free talents and get free mantra. To get 3 free talent, we need to complete 3 quests. First quest is gonna beat Legion Cave. You need to speak with her. After she give you the quest, you need to follow me. You need to speak to this guy 1 time and go back. Told to her, and then you will get first free talent. Second quest is gonna be at the garden reservoir. You need to speak with her. Then follow me. Kill Sharko and come back. Here is your second free talent. Third quest is gonna be at Mini Tursa. First, what we need is to grab the book. Take the book. Speak to her and you will receive the talent. Now we need to get free mantra. You need to speak with him and go to Etris. Now follow me. Speak to this guy 1 time. And then speak to this guy. Then back to Vigil. Speak to him and you will receive mantra. If you don't need mantra, you can exchange it for 2 talents. Now I show you how to get free 5 HP. We need to get talent named Family Recipe. After getting the talent, we need to go to Fort Merit. At Fort Merit, we need to go to Shrine that reroll cards. To get this talent, we need to speak with Mystic and choose I Sabotage Other. Pocket bombs are the talent we are looking for. That's all for today. I hope y'all enjoy this video.